Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the internet not working, 4G, 3G or 5G, with a very simple solution. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. If you have the internet, it does not work. First, it does not work. It does not work or it works, but the internet there is no, although it is available to you. All of this will be explained. We will explain the solution in this video before broadcasting in an explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button for the video and share the video as well. It is not an order now, or the step to do to solve this problem is to go to the settings. After that we click on networks, mobile phone, then we click on mobile data. After that, we click on the names of the access points, then we click on the three dots above here. After that, we will click on Restore Settings to the default settings. This is the first step. After that, we pass to the next step. Now we try the internet if it does not work or even works. We pass to the next step. We specify the default settings for the network, then we go to Google and let us test if the internet is working now. This is Google. As you can see, the internet is working successfully. But if you have the internet, it does not work. It does not work, then there is no problem. We pass to the next step. The next step is that we go to the settings, and then we go to data. Mobile. We click on mobile networks, then we click on mobile data, then we click on the names of the access points. After that, we click on the three dots above here, then we click on the name of a new access point. We will create a new access point that works on all phones. Now we click on the name and write the name on according to your desire. It does not matter much at this point. After that, we click on the name of the access point, then write www.google.com. After that, we click on Save or the check mark, then we go down and click on Access Point Protocol. We choose the third option. After that, we click on Access Point Protocol at Tegwell. We also choose the third option. After that, we click on Holder, then we deselect Unselected, and we choose and select all the options that appear here, except the first option are like this. As you can see now, after completing the process, you click on OK. What is that? You click on the check mark or Save above. Then we select the new access point that we chose, and we test the internet to see if it works or not. Now we go to Google and we are testing the internet. As you can see, this is the page. This is Google. The internet works successfully and without any problems. But if I have any problems and have any questions, please write that in the comments. See you in an upcoming video, God willing.